showed up unexpectedly.
No, I saw that uninvited.
Loud. There's a thing, it's called responsibility and commitment, okay?
What's taking so long?
Because that's how grown people are.
Sure, but I'm actually really stressed out right now. Hello everyone, my name is Ayub, and this is my brother. Hello everyone, my name is Ayub, and I know you're probably wondering where my brother is, but he's studying for midterms. So today, we're making lasagna with a South Asian twist. So in Toronto, we celebrate Family Day, and I'm lucky enough to have my whole entire family here. So, no pressure, right? One box of lasagna strips, ek dubba lasagna, 1 kilogram of ground beef, ek kilo keema, half a cup of oil, addi cup tel, 300 grams of onion, 300 gram pyaz, 1 tablespoon of salt, ek chamcha namak, half a tablespoon of black pepper, addi chamcha kali mirch, 2 tablespoons of ground red pepper, 2 chamcha kuti hui lal mirch, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 chamcha adrak, 4 cups of sauce, 4 cup sauce, 4 cups of mozzarella cheese, 4 cup mozzarella cheese, 2 cups of mushroom, 2 cup mushroom, 400 grams of pepperoni, 400 gram pepperoni. So first, we're going to start layering. First, we put a thin layer of the meat sauce on the pan.
Hey, you. Nice setup you got here.
Thanks.
So, where's Yusuf?
I think he's studying for his midterms.
So what you making?
We're making Desi Canadian style lasagna.
What? I thought lasagna was Italian.
Well, the meat is desi and the lasagna and tomato sauce is actually traditional.
And those mushrooms, what are those?
Well, the mushrooms I like, but my brother doesn't. So, lasagna for me.
So one last question. What's Canadian here?
Me.
You seem to be doing a pretty good job.
Oh, so do you want help for the rest?
I think I'll give Yusuf a hand. I'll catch you around. Ciao.
Hey, Ayub, why are you here alone?
So Baya's studying for his midterms.
Really? I thought he had like the whole week off.
Yeah, but he's very disciplined and doesn't save things for the last minute. So do you want help the rest?
I think I have to go help Yusuf study. Okay, bye. What's taking so long? Where's Yusuf?
Baya's upstairs helping the people out of the kitchen. So do you guys want to help me?
Is that even a question? If I wanted to help you, I would have came here a long time ago. Can you hurry up? I'm so hungry.
So I know I said no pressure, but I'm actually really stressed out right now. So the hardest part about making lasagna is waiting 30 minutes for it to cool down. But now that I'm done, it's time to try it.
Hey, you made lasagna? Let me take it out. Let me take it out. This looks really good.
Hey, wait.
This is mine, though.
At least I can choose my friends.
If you live in the Toronto area and you would like to be a part of our studio audience, subscribe and let us know in the comments.